One day long ago in the Judean desert.
My drum is magic. It makes my friends dance.
But one night, Aaron's happiness ends.
I have killed the man and wife. The boy got away.
This prize herd will bring much money at the market.
All Aaron had left was his drum and his animal friends.
I vow to hate all mankind forever.
Joshua the camel, Samson the donkey, and Ben Baba the lamb were hungry, but followed and danced to Aaron's music. Then Haramet the showman and his helper Ali saw Aaron.
Aha, the boy and his dancing animals. People in the caravan will pay well to see them perform.
Aaron's friends fought with tooth and hoof.
They'll make us rich beyond our dreams. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow taxpayers, I have brought you at great expense tumblers extraordinary. Boy, you perform next. They're restless and smile.
We'll dance, but I won't smile.
They want you to smile, you stubborn little fool. So wear this painted one. More, boy. I'll pass the hat.
Why are you smiling? Murderers, thieves, bandits. I hate you for what you did to my family.
Look, the tents of a great encampment.
A king's camp. 3 kings. Ha ha ha! We'll be rich by morning.
A gleaming star in the heavens. 3 kings of the Orient.
This camel is too weak to go on, Your Majesties.
Have we no extra camels?
That's my final price for this camel, Your Majesties.
You strike a hard bargain.
Let us take the new camel and be on our way.
Aaron and his animal friends escape.
Look, that's the star the kings were following.
It leads to the town of Bethlehem.
Out of my way, ragamuffin!
Ben Baba! He's hurt!
Aaron went to the old stable.
Oh, Your Majesty, you must help me. My lamb's been hurt. You must save him.
He is near death, boy. There is nothing I can do.
But you're a king.
Only a mortal king. There is the King of Kings.
A new king born this day.
Please help Baba. I have no gift for a king, but I could play my drum.
Play then.
The babe's hand reached out for the lamb. Ben Baba the lamb stirred, then got to his feet.
Oh, Baba! Thank you, baby Jesus. Each year we'll play for you on your birthday.
And thereafter, Aaron's heart was filled with love for all mankind.